Today, we're disassembling the ROG 9 Pro. Start by heating the device. We're using the POLARTECH Magic Self-Heating Pad. More info is in the link below. Once heated, it's time to remove the back cover. Use a thin metal tool to open a gap and drip in some alcohol. Then slide in a plastic pick and work around the edges to loosen the adhesive. Be careful on the right, there's a display cable on the back cover. Don't lift the cover too much to avoid tearing the cable. Loosen the screws and remove the pressure bracket. Use a plastic spudger to disconnect the BTB connector, then remove the back cover. We can see the LED display, wireless charging coil, and NFC built into the cover. Unscrew all visible screws and remove the central pressure bracket. Remember to disconnect the battery first. The BTB connectors here are sealed for water resistance and a bit tricky to detach. Since there are flex cables on both sides, we must remove the top speaker first. Doing this gives us access to the upper flex cables. Be gentle to avoid damaging flex cables or other components. We can see pressure brackets on the back securing BTB connectors. Use tweezers to lift the middle of each bracket, then push to one side to release. Let's remove these three brackets one by one. Now we can safely remove the motherboard. This ROG 9 Pro still uses a dual-layer motherboard design. Here's the side charging port. The second one on the side is a faster USB-C 3.1 Gen 1 port with 4K DisplayPort support and hypercharge support, and yes, these ports still support pass-through charging. Next, let's disassemble the subboard. There's a short screw here. Screws in this model vary in length. Be careful not to mix them up, or you could damage the screen. Don't forget to remove the SIM card tray. The charging FPC is held by two short screws. Here's a special short screw. Now we're moving to the upper part. This is the telephoto camera. Watch out for this short screw. And this is the ultra-wide camera module. Here's a long special screw, remove it to take out the antenna board. If you need to replace the battery, pay attention to this part. When removing the battery, don't puncture it, it could cause a fire. Drip some alcohol under the battery to soften the glue. The ROG Phone 9 Pro has a larger battery capacity this time around. At 5,800 mAh the battery life has improved. Don't forget the display flex and vibration motor. Alright, teardown is now complete. Let's start reassembling everything. Just follow the reverse order of disassembly. Be careful with screw lengths, follow along with me. Here's a short screw. Don't forget the pressure brackets. Finally, reconnect the battery BTB. Better to test the device before final assembly, just to be safe. Okay, let's tighten the last screw. Apply some glue before reattaching the back cover. The screen is now successfully powered on. This has been the teardown and reassembly of the ROG 9 Pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.